Hello dear viewers, you're watching ERi-TV English news broadcast with me Bersabet Tagle. These are the major headlines for today. Message of congratulations. Vocational training to students of ERi College of Business and Social Science. Belarus says it downed Ukraine air defense missile. And Brazilian football legend Pele dies at the age of 82. President Isaias Afwerki conveyed a message of congratulations in connection with the New Year 2023. In his message, President Isaias expressed his best wishes and a happy New Year to the people of Eritrea living inside the country and abroad, as well as to the Eritrean Defense Forces. On your local reports, the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students branch of higher education institutions organized vocational training to 219 students, including 105 females of ERi College of Business and Social Science. The training included computer maintenance, video editing, graphics, as well as other fields of technology, indicating that the union branch is exerting strong effort in cooperation with partners to produce youth equipped with necessary skills and knowledge. Mr. Kobel Tagle, head of the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students branch in the college, said that training organized in the college is part of the effort. Pointing out on the significance of organizing such training programs as well as cultural and sports activities, Ms. Mansoura Ismail, head of the Union Branch of Higher Education Institutions, called on the trainees to apply the training they received in improving their livelihoods. Noting that conscious youth equipped with skills and knowledge plays leading role in sectors of development, Dr. Stefanos Hailemariam, the Dean of the college, commended the Union Branch for organizing the training. The Taxi Owners Association reported that association since 2015 has been participating in the national development drives and in supporting families of Maldives. Pointing out that supporting families of Maldives is not to be left to the government only, Mr. Mengus Galamikael, chairman of the association, said that the association in the past 8 years has distributed over 1.4 million nafa in support of 30 families of Maldives. Mr. Mengus went on to say that the association, in cooperation with Forestry and Wildlife Authority, has been engaged in planting tree seedlings at Betagergis, at Daveto, at Dinefas, and in 2020 and 22, the association has constructed over 4 hectares of terraces at Maidimnet and planted over 5,000 tree seedlings, and 90% of the planted tree seedlings are in good condition. Mr. Mengus also said that the members of the association in the past 2 years have voluntarily contributed 445 units of blood with a view to enrich blood supply of the National Blood Transfusion Service, and the association is contributing yearly 10,000 nafa to the National Blood Transfusion Donors Association and 15,000 to the Traffic Safety Association. Indicating satisfaction for the tree seedlings they have planted are in good condition, Mr. Itabar Haile, General Secretary of the Association, and Mr. Mengustav Abai, Head of Administration and Finance, expressed readiness to continue the tree seedlings planting popular campaign. On your last local report, training has been organized to school directors, heads of pedagogy, and administrators in Sanafis subzone with a view to develop the teacher learning process. The training that was provided on 24 and 25 December included implementation of student-centered education, student evaluation and its importance, communication skills, as well as financial and material management. Indicating that the objective of the training was to upgrade the capacity of the heads of schools at various levels, Mr. Berhane Johannes, head of pedagogy in Sanafis subzone, said that the training will have significant contribution in avoiding floods that could occur in the process. Mr. Omereddi Mohammed, head of education office in the subzone, in his part called on the school directors, heads of pedagogy and administrators to apply the training that were provided in the development of teaching learning process. The trainees on their part, indicating the importance of the training in developing their capacity, called for the sustainability of the program. Dear viewers, do stay with us for the international reports after the short break. Welcome back. Belarus has summoned the Ukrainian ambassador, saying it had shot down a Ukrainian air defense missile in the Belarusian territory. Footage from the Belarusian state television appeared to show missile debris in a field. A Ukrainian military spokesman said the incident was the result of air defense. Belarus, a key ally of Russia, demanded that Kiev carry out a full investigation after the S-300 rocket came down near the border. It is the first time Belarus has shot down a Ukraine missile since the Russian invasion in February. The Ukrainian ambassador was called into the foreign ministry in Minsk. The Belarusian side views this incident as extremely serious, spokesperson Anatoly Glass told the Reuters news agency. He called on Ukraine to take comprehensive measures to prevent the recurrence of such incidents in the future. Ukraine's defense ministry said it was ready to invite experts from countries that do not support the terrorist state of Russia to help investigate of the incident, adding that it reserved, quote-unquote, the unconditional right to the defense and protection of its own sky. On your last report, Pele, the legendary Brazilian football player who rose from barefoot poverty to become one of the greatest and best-known athletes in modern history, has died at the age of 82. Sao Paulo's Albert Einstein Hospital, where Pele was undergoing treatment, said he died at 3:27 p.m. on Thursday due to multiple organ failures resulting from the progression of colon cancer associated with his previous medical condition. The death of the only man to win the World Cup 3 times as a player was confirmed on his Instagram account. The post read, "Inspiration and love marked the journey of King Pele, who peacefully passed away today." Pele, whose real name was Edson Arantes do Nascimento, was remembered for his wide-ranging accomplishments both on and off the football field. The memorial post on Pele's social media page highlighted the star's international appeal, referencing an incident during the Nigerian Civil War when opposing factions agreed to cease fire in order to enjoy a match Pele played in the country. You're still watching us on ERi-TV, the viewers, and now recap of the major headlines. Message of congratulations. Vocational training to students of Eritrea College of Business and Social Science. Belarus says it downed Ukraine air defense missile. And Brazilian football legend Pele dies at the age of 82. Dear viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching.